What's up? It's Fireman Chef Geoff, and I got another cooking video. Hey, I'm just gonna do some snow crabs, something kind of easy and quick. And I'm just gonna throw together some butter, mixture, recipe, whatever. I'm just gonna take some butter, unsalted butter, and I'm going to use some lemon juice, some lemon zest, some fresh garlic. If you have fresh parsley, do that. I don't have any fresh parsley at the moment, so I'm going to use this dried parsley. Got to use some Old Bay seasoning. And then I've got this shrimp and crab boil. Just going to add a little bit, maybe a teaspoon or so, into my concoction, and then some fresh cracked pepper. So I'm going to take my legs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make it like a little indenture in there and take my scissors and just kind of cut up here, kind of open it up a little bit. That way I'm going to be able to get the butter and the marinade in there. And then I'm just going to put it in like a baking dish sheet and throw it in the oven for maybe 15-20 minutes at 350-400 degrees. And it'll make it a lot easier to get the meat out, and it'll also get that flavor into the meat as well. So heck, let's just throw this together and let's get started with these snow crab legs. All right, my little concoction. I did about 1/4 cup of butter, melted that. We're going to cut up some garlic, some minced that. We'll throw some in there. Gonna add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. I'm gonna add some Old Bay seasoning. I probably should have get some of that in there. You gotta have the Old Bay. Then I'm going to dump a little bit of shrimp and crab boil in there. Add some zing. Then I'm going to do a little bit of lemon zest. And then I'm going to squeeze about 1/2 of a lemon in there too. And then I think what I'm also going to do is put a couple dabs of hot sauce. Got to have some hot sauce, right? So got some lemon in there, and then I'm going to get some hot sauce and dab that in there. And like I said, I'm going to take my trusty shears that I got for Christmas. I've cut all these except this one. I'm just gonna kind of like make a little indentation there in the bottom, maybe. This of course is a thick one. And then take my scissors and I just run up here. And that's just gonna allow the exposed meat so some of our seasoning gets down in there, the butter, the goodness. So as you can see, I did that. See all that meat there, and did each one cut. Whoops, that one fell off. Whoops, good one, Geoff. Anyway, he lost a limb. Anyway, it's open. So take your goodness that you made, move this, and just go ahead and dig deep. Get that garlic. Go ahead and brush it all over these. Every little square bit of it. And then I'm going to take this too and get it inside where that meat is. And yeah, I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. I think I oversaid. I think I said like 10 or 15 minutes earlier, but 5 to 7 minutes at 400 degrees should do it. And we'll bake that and we'll pull it out and we'll eat. We'll get to cracking and we'll eat. All right, here is the crabs all ready to eat. I got a little thing of course, extra butter. Have fun cracking away. Enjoy this simple, fast little way to make your snow crabs. Bon appetit!